How to make a McDonald's cheeseburger. Making the famous McDonald's cheeseburger is actually incredibly easy. All you need is a few simple ingredients: salt, black pepper, diced onion, ketchup, American mustard, pickles, ground beef, American cheese, and a cheeseburger bun. Step 1. Making the cheeseburger patty. In a large mixing bowl, add 500 grams of ground beef. Add salt and ground black pepper. Thoroughly mix together. Roll ground beef into a ball. Place the ground beef onto some baking paper. Using a spatula, press down flat until it's about 1 inch thick. Feel free to adjust the thickness to however you prefer. Step 2. Cooking the cheeseburger. Place a large frying pan onto your stovetop over medium heat. Add a splash of oil and heat for 1 minute. Place down your cheeseburger patty. Cook for 60 seconds, then flip. Add butter. 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 Add oil. Continuously stir for 5 minutes. Season with salt. Stir. Once the cheeseburger patty is cooked to your liking, remove from heat. Step 3. Constructing the cheeseburger. Cut your burger bun in half. Place down that patty. Add cracked black pepper, salt, American mustard, ketchup, diced onion, pickles, 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 pickles. Place down the top bun. Enjoy. I forgot to add the American cheese. Cut your burger bun in half. Add ground beef, American cheese, onion, ketchup, 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 mustard, salt, pepper, pickles, Filet-O-Fish. Mix thoroughly. Egg. Mix with your hands. Place cheeseburger mixture into your shoes. Put on the shoes. Walk around for approximately 5 minutes. Take off the shoes. Scoop out 1 handful out of each shoe and place it onto the bottom burger bun. Place down that top bun. Perfect! Look how delicious this looks. It looks identical to a McDonald's cheeseburger. Yummy! I cannot wait to tuck into this. Enjoy!